Today we will be discussing mineral and energy resources, which is your chapter number 7, unit 3. So some of you have requested me to explain this chapter again. So I have prepared a PowerPoint presentation on this, and here it goes. This chapter was asked for 5 marks till 2009. But 2009 onwards, I have seen that there is a trend of 1 mark question from this chapter, which is generally in the MCQ, and a 3 mark question. And that too, mostly the question comes from conservation of resources or non-conventional resources. So still, some of you find this chapter really difficult because it has distribution of minerals. Still, the chapter is really easy, and please learn it with me. So when we start talking about minerals, first of all, you need to understand what is a mineral. A mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with a definite chemical and physical properties. That means, like here you can see, this is gold in raw form, this is iron smelted, this is copper, this is coal, this is limestone. Now it can be organic, like coal is organic, and it can be inorganic. That means it doesn't have any life forms. So it can be organic, inorganic, with a definite chemical composition. It has some chemical composition inside it. It has, you know, that all the minerals have got their chemical composition, like Fe is for iron, like that. So it has a definite chemical and physical properties also. Like by seeing, you can see yellow is for gold, orangish color is for copper, black is for coal, like that. That is called its physical property. So that is the definition. You have to learn the definition. Then minerals are of two types, metallic and non-metallic. So some minerals are metal, they have shine, they have luster, they can be changed into sheets and wires, like gold, copper, iron, all these are metallic minerals. And they can be non-metallic, like this. They are brittle. If you break them, they convert into powder or pieces. So that is non-metallic. This is non-metallic. Limestone is non-metallic. So minerals are metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals are hard as compared. Non-metallic minerals are soft. They are brittle. Then minerals further, metallic minerals can be divided into two more categories. The one which have iron in them, they are stronger and used for construction. So there was 1 mark question in 2013 question paper that name two ferrous minerals. So the minerals which have got iron in them is called as ferrous mineral, like iron, manganese, tin, and then lead. These are the minerals which have got iron in them. They have some little bit of Fe in them. So these are called as ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals, the one which do not have iron. Gold is pure, it doesn't have iron inside it, so it is non-ferrous. Copper is pure, it doesn't have iron inside it, so it is also non-ferrous. So metallic minerals are further divided into two types. One is ferrous and one is non-ferrous. Ferrous have got iron, non-ferrous do not have iron. Non-metallic minerals are further divided into two types. The one which are used for fuel, which are mainly made up of fossils, are called as coal and petroleum. The non-metallic minerals are also one which are different in category. They are very soft in nature and used for some other purposes like limestone, mica. These all are non-metallic minerals. So I hope till here it is clear. Definition of mineral: two broad categories of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic are further divided into two categories, ferrous and non-ferrous. You may get 1 mark question from here to give an example, or you may get 1 mark question on identifying whether a mineral is in which category. They might ask you copper comes in which category, like that. The next thing that you should be learning, that minerals, whether they are available at your home, anywhere, or in the field. If suddenly someday you discover that you have a mine of some mineral in your land, do you know that you cannot take it out? You don't have right to extract the minerals, because technically all the complete property of the country belongs to government. So Government of India has the authority to mine the minerals and take out the minerals. So even if it is your own land, if it is your own house, and you find some mineral wealth inside your own purchased land, that is technically of the government. So you cannot own it, you have to inform government about it, and government will give permission to somebody to extract it. So minerals are extracted by some particular agencies, and these agencies further give contract to some other people. So the important agencies that you should be knowing, I have labeled here. Rest also you should go through once. Okay, by the name only you can get a question like Hindustan Copper Limited is responsible for extraction of which mineral? So it's quite obvious that it is responsible for extraction of copper. ONGC is responsible for extraction of oil and natural gas. Like BGML is responsible for Bharat Gold Mines Limited. NALCO, this is National Aluminium Limited Company, like that. So this is how the names of minerals are given. So you have to just go through it and read them once. Geological Survey of India and Department of Mining and Geology tries to find out where the minerals are available. They go for exploration, check the land surface, find out the minerals. If at all they find some minerals inside the earth, they give contract to some government or non-government agency to explore the minerals. So this is how the mineral extraction work is carried out.